This foldable proofing box from GEOYLE offers a generous 43-liter capacity that comfortably fits standard mixing bowls or dough trays while still collapsing flat for compact storage in a kitchen cabinet. An integrated heating surface wrapped around the interior provides steady, even warmth, so sourdough, bread dough, yogurt, and other ferments rise more predictably than on a countertop or in an oven with the light on. The built-in thermostat lets you dial in precise temperatures from cool to pleasantly warm and set long fermentation times in hours, which is especially helpful for slow sourdough schedules and yogurt cultures. High-density Oxford fabric walls, combined with quality zippers and sturdy handles, give the box good insulation and durability while keeping the overall unit lightweight and easy to move around the kitchen. A dedicated temperature probe and automatic overheat protection add a layer of safety and help maintain a stable environment, which is reassuring when running very long ferments overnight or while you are away from home. Thoughtful touches like a strap to secure the controller and cords, a neat cube-shaped footprint, and a calm blue color make this proofing box feel more like a practical everyday tool than a fussy specialty gadget.